And if you don't know, like, say if you are targeting one interest and you don't know what to target yet, use that suggestion button. And it shows you all related interests, and you can put that in and categorize it and really find interest really easily that way.
Yeah.
And like I usually do mine based on I target a lot of Amazon audiences.
Yeah.
So I might target people that like shoes, that are interested in shoes, but also do an
Right.
Amazon shopper interest. And so that way I have a must in there. So that way I know that they like shoes and they shop on Amazon. And then
Yeah.
I might deliver that ad to them. And I might also have a lookalike audience of my Amazon customers. And that way I find people that are more likely to purchase my product through that lookalike audience. But also I put my competitors in another ad set, and that makes it perform really well. That's usually my top
Yeah.
performer is my
Yeah.
competitor ad set, because
Yeah.
you're taking that competitive advantage and you're taking it, like, you're really showing it of those people that have already, and really taking away their market share of their competitor ads and really trying to take away as their customers.
Yeah.
And it makes it where it performs really, really well, because those are the customers you're trying to target. So always remember that, like, you always segment out and be reaching different audiences, because that's what's important. You have to be targeting new audiences. You can segment it in a way and use that suggestion button to find new ideas and really figure out what is the next thing I need to target and these new interests. And then after that, you gotta really match. If you match your ad set to your creative, if you match your audience to your creative, that's when you find explosive ads.